Hi friends, welcome to Airdrop Spot. So the last phase of Taiko Testnet, which is Katla Testnet, is currently on, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to go about it. The Taiko Katla Testnet is going to be in two parts. This video is the part 1, and then by tomorrow the part 2 video will be out, so you want to make sure that you stay subscribed so that you do not miss out on the other part of the testnet. We are visiting faucetlink.to, and in this website here you can find a list of faucets where you can get layer 1 test ETH to use for your testnet interaction. So among all of these layer 1, we're actually going for Holesky. So tap on Holesky and then you can see a list of faucets where you can get Holesky test ETH. So I'll be going for Beware Labs. So I'll copy the link, then open up another tab, then paste the link there to browse it. So I'll have the link pinned in the comment section for your convenience. Then you are going to tap on Ethereum Holesky Testnet. At the point of claiming this test token, there were just about 3.4 test ETH left in this particular faucet. So you may come here and then you find 0 ETH left, which means that faucet is closed for the day. So if that is the case, just go back from the list on faucetlink.to and then you can just choose another faucet. Try them one after the other until you get the one that will give you your test token. So after getting your test token, the next thing we are going to do is to visit Taiko faucet itself. Paste the link in your browser and then here we are. I'm going to have the link pinned in the comment section for your convenience. Now you are going to connect to it. Tap on MetaMask. Now at the point of connecting your wallet, it is going to ask you to switch network because you need to be on Holesky network for this step. So choose Holesky, and when you choose Holesky, it is going to automatically add the network to your MetaMask, and then you can now switch to Holesky in order to proceed. Now you can see I am on Holesky network. Then we want to come here to mint horse token. So tap on that drop down arrow and then choose horse. Then tap on mint. Then confirm in your wallet. You are going to need Holesky ETH for gas fee. That is why we used the faucet before coming to Taiko faucet itself. Now the minting of 50 horse token is successful. The next thing that you want to do is go to the sidebar menu by the right. And then you are going to tap on bridge. What we want to do next is to bridge our horse token that we claimed on Holesky over to Katla, and also bridge our Holesky ETH to Katla as well, so that we'll have gas fee to use on Katla. So tap on select chain and then choose Katla. So you are having Holesky as your sender chain and Katla as your receiver chain. So first of all, I'm going to be bridging ETH. So I'll leave ETH there as it is. I'll just enter the amount of ETH that I want to bridge, and then I'm going to tap on bridge. I'll then confirm this in my wallet. Now after bridging Holesky ETH over to Katla, I am going to now tap on that drop down arrow, and then I am now going to bridge my horse token that I minted earlier from Holesky to Katla as well. So I'm going to choose horse, and then I'm going to enter the amount of horse token that I want to bridge. I minted 50, so I'm going to be bridging that 50 over to Katla. So first of all, tap on approve and then approve the transaction in your wallet. You can also set your custom spending cap here, then tap on approve. Now once it is approved, then tap on bridge. Tap on confirm. Now that is successful as well. Then there is something else that you should do. Go back to the sidebar menu and then tap on transactions. So I don't know if it works differently with other people, but then I have noticed that when you bridge on Holesky over to Katla, you need to go back and then claim it manually on Katla, you can see. So you need to be on Katla to claim the transaction so that what you bridge can then arrive in your wallet on Katla. However, for you to be able to claim, you need Katla as gas fee. So if you have not done any interaction before using Katla, then that means you won't have gas fee. So you may need somebody that already have Katla to share with you before you'll be able to do this. So in that case, I might just share with a couple of persons. I might share a little Katla with a couple of persons in our Telegram group. And then once you guys are able to claim your transactions and then you have your Ethereum Katla, then you can also share with other people. I can't share with everyone. I will just pick a couple of persons to share the Katla ETH with, and then once you are successful with yours, also share with other people so that everybody can be able to complete this part. So I am done manually claiming my ETH and also the host token I bridged over to Katla. And then the next thing we want to do is to visit Taiko Katla Uniswap fork. And here we want to perform some swaps and also interact with their liquidity pool. So you are going to find the link in the comment section too for your convenience. Tap on connect and then choose MetaMask. So tap on that drop down and then choose whichever token you want to swap into. Since this is basically just swapping, I'm going to speed up this part so that I can get it done quickly and not waste our time. I'm going to start with TTKOK, and then once I'm done swapping into that, I'm also going to swap into USDC. So now that I am done swapping, I'm then going to move over to the liquidity pool tab, and then I'll tap on new position. And then this time I'm going to add Ethereum and also horse token pair to the liquidity pool. So I'll tap on horse. Now from the fees here, I'm going to go for 0.3%. This is just testnet, so it doesn't matter whichever one that you go for. Next, where you have price range, I'm going to go for full range, and when you go for full range, then once you enter the amount of one of your pairs, the system is going to automatically add the appropriate amount of the other pair. So here I'm going to be adding just 5 horse to the liquidity pool, and that is because I do not have enough ETH to use if I use a bigger amount of horse. And you can see that automatically the appropriate amount of ETH was added. So you're going to first approve that in your wallet, and here you are going to set your custom spending cap. I'm going to limit it to 5 horse, and then I'm going to tap on approve. Now once the approval is successful, then you're going to tap on add, and then you are going to confirm that in your wallet. And you can see the status of your transaction at the top right there where you see pending. Once it is successful, you are going to see a pop-up that shows that it is successful. And it is successful. So we have been able to interact with Taiko Katla Testnet. We've done swapping, we've done minting, and then we've done bridging, and then we have also added tokens to liquidity pool. So this is the first part of the tutorial, and then tomorrow I'll also upload the second and final part of the Taiko Katla Testnet tutorial, where we are going to be doing something that is more technical. So if you have found value in any of my content, make sure that you give me a like on this video and also subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss out on the second part of this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in another tutorial.